Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll try to show you how you can actually play the 90 FPS in the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme X1 Max without using any kind of brightness trick. Yes, so this is a request which has come from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic, and finally after using for a couple of days only then I was able to make this kind of video. I'll try to explain you how you can actually get this 90 FPS working in the Battlegrounds mobile game without even using any kind of brightness trick. Yes. So to demonstrate this kind of trick, I need to use the real-time refresh rate option. As you can see in the Realme X1 Max, you can actually find this option in the developer options. So right now I'm trying to show you, before using this any kind of different settings, first let me try to show you what is happening with the Realme X1 Max. So before and after using. So I just want to give you a clear idea what is happening with the Realme X1 Max at this moment. As you can see friends, right now let me try to go to the settings, and right now I'm trying to use a 90 FPS. But right now you can see the refresh rate is not increasing more than 60. It's limited to the only 60 only. It's not going more than 60 FPS at this point, as you can exactly see in the game space. If you use the brightness trick, only then it will try to increase. But let's talk about the without using brightness trick, how you can actually get that. So there's an application which is available in the Play Store which is called the Set Edit. As you can see, this application, so which a lot of users are also, they start to sending me the mails, and thank you for all the feedback what I got on this one. So once you download this application, just click on the open. As you can see, once you click open, you'll get this kind of different options. So don't try to change any values, just you need to find for the value which is called the peak refresh rate. Try to search for the peak. Yes, starting with the P alphabet, try to scroll down until you get the P alphabet. Don't try to change any options, please don't try to change anything, and try to search for the peak refresh rate option, so which is present here. As you can see, peak refresh rate, only change this value from 120 to 1. Try to change one value. As you can change it to 1. Now click save changes. So as soon as you change that option, now let me go to the home screen. As you can see, right now I'm trying to open the Battlegrounds mobile. Let me open the Battlegrounds mobile. As you can see, as soon as I open the Battlegrounds mobile, now it's showing 120 Hz refresh rate, and real-time FPS meter also increased to 90 FPS without using any kind of brightness trick. As you can see friends, without using any kind of brightness trick, now it's possible to play at 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max absolutely fine. Not only in the Battlegrounds mobile, even in the other applications also you can actually get this kind of value working perfectly alright. So not only in the Battlegrounds mobile, even if you want to use Instagram and any other YouTube application, this kind of option is 100% working fine even in those options as well. I'll try to use this kind of exact same application, and I'll try to demonstrate different games. How the different games are working based upon this usage. I'll definitely update you on that particular topic as soon as possible. So make sure to stay tuned for those updates in case if you're necessary. But this is the actual way how you can actually get the 90 FPS working in the Realme X1 Max without any kind of problem at this moment. And thank you for all the subscribers who did message me and email me regarding this kind of feedback which I got on this application. And thank you for watching this video friends. And in case if you want to change back again to the same values, try to click the same application and try to search for the option peak refresh rate and try to change the value to 120. Right now I did change the value to 120. Now let me open the Battlegrounds mobile. Now you'll be able to see that 90 FPS is not working. As you can see at this moment, now you need to use the brightness trick. In this way you can actually enable and disable the 90 FPS and 120 Hz working in your smartphone whenever you want, until the Realme fix this kind of thing. So meanwhile we got a temporary solution which can actually helpful for a lot of other subscribers as well. In my opinion, definitely I would feel this kind of very useful for a lot of other users. In case if you don't want to wait for the Realme, then definitely you can use this kind of benefit. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.